I recorded.
Alright, here we have a flock of wild geese. Marvelous creatures. See, I'm being a white person right now, being stupid. Don't do this shit. Notice how the geese are in a flock of 40 geese. 40 geese. How beautiful they look. Absolutely stunning creatures. Marvelous. See how peaceful they are because they're not hungry as fuck. See, now if I was to be stupid and try to run in them, they'll attack my ass and go for the eyes. That's why I say don't do white people shit. See, this is how far you gotta stay away from their ass. You feel me?
You can't even see them because of the fucking darkness.
Yeah, I know. You gotta really get in there. You gotta get up in
Sure.
Look at how big they ass is, like big ass turkeys.
Yeah, I got them a little bit. They're kind of dark, but